Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I create this makeup look right here. This look is a pretty unusual but a very pretty look. For this look, all I used was some nude eyeshadows, a little bit of glitter and some white eyeliner. And I must say, I love how this turned out. It's pretty cool. So yeah, I hope you all enjoy watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching and let's get into it. Okay, so the first thing I'll be doing is priming my lids with some light concealer. I'm going to use my fingers for this. Now to set the concealer in place, I'm going to take a little bit of setting powder and set my eyelids. Okay, so the first color that I'll be going in with is this chocolate shade right here. And I'm going to use a fluffy blending brush from Amazon and place it in my crease. Alright, so the next color that I'll be going in is with this cool tone brown shade, and I'm gonna place this on my outer corners. Now going back with that chocolate shade and blending the crease again. Okay, so now to highlight the lid, I'm just going to go in with this yellow shade right here. This is from the Wet n Wild contour palette. But I don't use the yellow shade, so I'm just going to use it on my eyelids today. Okay, so now moving on to the glitter part. For the glitter, I'm going to go in with a silver glitter and place it all over my eyelid. Alright, now that I've got the glitter placed down, I'm going to go in with some white eyeliner and just do a wing. Alright, now that I've lined my eyes, I'm going to create a Milky Way on my transition shade with the same white eyeliner. Okay, now moving on to the lower lash line, I'm going to use the same chocolate shade right here and place it on my lower lash line. And going back in with that same cool tone brown. Also going back in with the silver glitter. Okay, and now I'm going to be placing white dots on my inner corners and I'm going to take it all the way to the wing. And now to finish off the lower lash line, I'm gonna add a little bit of this K-Beauty Kajal in my waterline. And now I'm adding a little bit of Maybelline Colossal waterproof mascara on my lashes. Also going to be adding them on my lower lash line. Alright, so technically the eye look is complete, but I'm going to place some false eyelashes and be right back. Alright, now that this eye is done, let's get on with this eye. Okay, so these are the eyes all done. Okay, so now let's move into contour. Alright, so for contour, I'm going to go into the Wet n Wild contour palette in the shade Caramel Toffee. And I'm also going to be mixing it with the Purplle Compact in the shade That Special Beige Relationship 2. Taking a tiny brush and contouring my nose. Alright, now for blush, I'm going to go in with the Maybelline Cheeky Glow blush in the shade Fresh Coral. Alright, and now for highlighter, I'm going to go in with this Champagne Brick highlighter and highlight my face. Now taking the highlighter on a tiny brush, I'm going to place it on my brow bone. And on the tip of my nose and my nose bridge. Alright, now that the face is done, let's move on to the lips. Alright, so the first shade that I'm gonna go in is with the color Brandy from Seven Heaven. This is a nice dark wine maroon shade and I'm just gonna place it on my outer corners. Alright, so the next shade that I'll be going in is in the shade Apricot from the same brand. And this is the finished look. I love how this look turned out and I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you all did, please don't forget to give a like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you all in the next one. Bye bye!